Hey everyone, in this video we're gonna be doing like the unboxing of the new Ridgid tool that I just bought, and we're pretty much gonna see what it comes with, and I'll tell you the price at the end, or maybe you guys can guess to see how much it is. So myself and my wife, we like to do gardenings and stuff like that, and so I found this one online right here. It's just a prunings. So this one, it does come with the charger and 2 amp battery. However, it was promotions, so it does come with additional batteries, 6 amp. So which is great, right? So I'm gonna unbox it. I actually opened it last night, and I did the LSA already, so which is the lifetime service agreement. So I'll put the link on the bottom of the description somewhere there, so that'll make it easy for you guys to register. So reason that I like Ridgid is for the lifetime service agreement. So recently Ridgid changed their lifetime service agreement. Basically what it is like, before when we buy like batteries, doesn't come in the kit. It doesn't come with the lifetime. It only comes with 3 years. But now anything you buy from Ridgid, it will, as long as you register within 90 days of the time you made the purchase, okay? And you can do this online. And they have like different type of platforms of social media that you can reach out to them to help you expedite the lifetime service agreement. So I think the last time that I did it, they did a really good job. I think the guy who was helping me through chat, or I think it was through chat or to maybe Facebook, but the turnaround time is pretty quick. So as long as you have all the invoices and everything's updated and all the serial numbers correctly, they should not have an issue approving it, okay? But let's go ahead and open this one. I actually opened it last night already. But what it comes with, it's, again, the 2 amp batteries. Right, so, yeah, just not the super power one, not the Pro Max or the Max version, but just the regular 2 amp. And this one itself, really nice. So yeah. So remember, the serial numbers will be the one on the very bottom right here. That's when you register. That's when you input the serial number. All right. So probably after my unbox, and we're probably gonna do like an actual prunings, cutting, trimmings, so that way you guys can see it. And like usual, Ridgid always come with the manuals, you know, how to operate. And Ridgid they have like many different product lines that you can purchase. And this 18 volt will be compatible with, I'll open it so you guys can see it. So they don't have just, you can see here, 100% compatible. And the tools goes on and on and on and on, all right? And see that one, let's see, there's more on the back as well too. Yeah, well, here we go, yeah, there's more on the back as well too. See, so it tells you straight up in the front right here, there we go. So within the 90 days, you have to register the products. Otherwise, it will only come with a 3 years warranty. And it says here, 5 minutes of the time to complete. All right, so quick, easy. So put the manuals away, and we're gonna see the charger coming up. All right, so this is a standalone charger, just for one battery. That's how you do it. You plug it in. Whoops. There you go. It's just for a single one. I do have a dual one too. And Ridgid, if you do have a lot of Ridgid and you work in constructions and you need more than one charging slot, they do have like, I think 6 or 8 of them. It's like a little bigger. Then you can stick it all around, and it can charge simultaneously as well too. But yeah, that's pretty much for this kit. All right, so the reason why I bought this kit is all about these batteries. These are the bad boys right here. So as you know, the one that comes with only with 2 amps. This one, when I got this like during the promotions, this one it has 6 amp, and this is the max output lithium. So if you follow my channels, you know that back in the days, Ridgid used to produce like the octane batteries, which had Bluetooth connectivity and with all the goodies. But however, for some reason, Ridgid decided to discontinue that octane line, and they replace it with max output. And so this is, I'll get two. I have 2 of them as we speak. And the bigger the amp hours, like that means the longer the runtime. So maybe that one's 2 amps and this one is 6. So maybe you could get like 3 times out of these thicker batteries. So again, so there's a serial number on the behind these batteries. So make sure when you register for the LSA, or which is the lifetime service agreement, make sure you read the numbers correctly, input it correctly, so that way you can have it covered for the lifetime of the tool itself. So that's pretty much it for this promotion. So like I said from the beginning, the kit alone itself is $179, which I got, and during that time of the promotions they included these 2 batteries. So I think these 2 batteries alone is like, I think it's expensive. I think maybe I don't know, maybe $120 each, or at least 100 each, but it's included free. So overall, with the tax and everything, it came out to be $197. And I live in California, so I think we get about 10% or 11% of the taxes on pretty much everything we bought. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So like I said, we're probably going to do like a review on how to use it and what you can use it with. So this one looks like it's pretty neat. It's small, portable. You can, you know, prune it, cut it. So right now it in California, it's about February 10th or the 9th right now. So it's getting towards springtime, so we can trim some of the trees, you know. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. So my last video, or 2 or 3 videos prior, I did a bit about grafting. So that's what I'm into it too. So maybe you guys gonna be seeing more video of grafting and wood gardening. So if that's something that you guys like, feel free to give a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more. Yeah, but in the end, I got a pretty good deal too. So on and off, I'll do like a promotional videos where I find good deals and I bring it to you guys. All right, so thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.